I'm going to show you what it looks like to have an AI concierge embedded into a learning environment. This is an immersive classroom experience. She speaks several different languages, so you can choose the language that you'd like to speak, and then let's start chatting with her. Okay, so my question is, what should a student do if they have questions about today's lesson?
If a student has questions about today's lesson, they should check Google Classroom for any available updates or instructions. They can also attend the help or tutoring sessions offered during seminar hours or after school. Additionally, they are encouraged to reach out to their teacher directly to ask questions and seek clarification.
All right, so that's one question. My question number two is, how can parents understand what's being taught in this space?
In Ms. Wall's classroom, parents can stay informed about what's being taught by visiting the class's online resources such as Google Classroom, where assignments, lessons, and updates are posted regularly. Additionally, parents are encouraged to review the class syllabi, which include detailed information about the curriculum, grading policies, and learning objectives. Parents can also access the class schedule and weekly outline to see the topics covered in geometry, algebra 2, and financial algebra. Attending parent-teacher conferences or communicating directly with Ms. Wall through email or school communication channels provides an opportunity to discuss specific student progress and the concepts being learned.
All right, so that's our question number two. Let's go to question number three. My third question is, where can
It's
someone
like
find?
you can find additional support by visiting your school's website or contacting your school counselor or teachers directly.
The fourth question is, how can this space make students feel more confident?
This space is designed to foster student confidence by creating an inviting, supportive environment that emphasizes collaboration, positivity, and student voice. The arrangement of desks in collaborative clusters encourages peer support and shared learning, which helps students feel more comfortable asking questions and participating actively. The anchor charts and student-created posters serve as visual affirmations and reminders of accomplishments, boosting confidence in their understanding. Additionally, the welcoming decor and culturally affirming elements create a space where every learner feels valued and respected. The classroom routines promote focus and responsibility, empowering students to take ownership of their learning.
That is how an AI concierge embedded into a classroom learning environment can actually support parents, students, and educators. I hope this was helpful. If you are interested in exploring this model on your own, please click the link in the description of this video and have a good time. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will be back with another video later. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this.